If you're seeing Claude error code 500, don't worry, in most cases this is a temporary issue and it can usually be fixed with a few simple checks. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to troubleshoot the problem step by step so you can get Claude working again as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. First, before changing anything on your device or browser, check whether Claude is actually having a service issue. Go to the official Claude status page at status.claude.com and look for any active outages, degraded performance, or incident reports. If the service is down on Anthropic's side, there may be nothing wrong with your setup at all. In that case, the best move is to wait and try again later once the service is restored. If the status page looks normal, the next thing to try is simply waiting a few minutes and then resubmitting your prompt. Error code 500 is often transient, which means it can appear briefly when the system is overloaded or having a temporary hiccup. Close the tab, give it a short break, then reload Claude and try your prompt again. Sometimes that alone is enough to fix it. Now let's talk about your prompt size. If you're sending a very large block of text, Claude may struggle to process it, especially if the conversation is already long or the message contains a lot of formatting. Try breaking your request into smaller pieces instead of pasting everything at once. Keep your prompt focused, shorter, and easier for the system to handle. This can reduce the chance of triggering the error and often improves response quality too. If the error still continues, try opening Claude in an incognito or private browsing window. This is a great way to test whether browser cache, cookies, extensions, or stored site data are causing the problem. If Claude works in incognito mode, then your normal browser session may be the issue. You can then clear your cache and cookies, disable suspicious extensions, or temporarily turn off any VPN or network tools that might interfere with the connection. Also, make sure your browser is up to date. An outdated browser can sometimes cause loading issues, page conflicts, or unexpected server errors. If you're using a browser extension like an ad blocker, script blocker, privacy tool, or automation extension, try disabling it temporarily and then reload Claude. These tools can sometimes block important site requests and lead to error 500 messages. If you're still stuck, try switching devices or networks. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, try mobile data or another network. If you're on one browser, try another. This helps you isolate whether the issue is coming from Claude itself, your browser, or your connection. The key things to remember are simple. Check the service status first, wait and retry if it's a temporary issue, reduce the size of your prompt, and use incognito mode or clear your cache if browser conflicts might be involved. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the problem right away. If this video helped you fix Claude error code 500, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.